Ka NF Co Limited South Korea kalano Synniang hadu spotuli ki core oxygen syaktanat kakot kaksya kajala penyerap penjanang yikilat ajing sumar yikinong pang kajala kini company klapan paru ya kajinglong bakloy benetri lang berkesorkar jala hakaban prinklan ya kajaka ajing sumar bar ben kersyan kajala hakanu kundu ka khap kabadan kam ia kini jik pentip dau Jejun Wu Chief Executive Officer ka NF Healthcare India Private Limited kabadi ka snat rikam jong ka NF Co Limited ah India habekran begilat pathai khubor haka jingmani kendu yu menteri katanat ka kot kakhya kajalla ba el heng ne ka sngining kong katkum ka jing ong jong u Jejun Wu kani ketiklanti haka pa company NF kanyai peteng berkersyan ng sarkar bat yu pan megalaya haka liang ka jing start science kajing tri lang bat kajing wanra ikilai klenti banweng kajing e u Jejun Wu ong ba ka company kala tri borba ban wanra ya kor oxygen relatif kum ka medical oxygen support solution Menteri Deptt baka company kala pula bernos yang yashi putli di MOSS syaka jala but cispatli hakari India Brokawi.
Through their representative, already they have installed the medical oxygen supply system in our state. That is happened in civil hospital. We have taken the report. It is very productive and also it is very effective. That this is the report is taken from the civil hospital and also from the DHSMI.
We have installed as a beta version, we can say, as a starting phase in two Mawphor 50, that's a bigger machines, and one Mawphor 80, what we are right now partnering with. So we have found it out, it's not highly priced, number one. We are just cutting the prices on the manpower and the overhead services, we are cutting the price. So whatever price X amount is coming down. And as far as what we are having a motto is saving lives, so obviously keeping the commercials aside, we are just giving the best services in the economical mode only.